This is a short demonstration of the Keithley Model 2200 save and recall operation. First of all, let's set the power supply in a non-standard voltage and current setting. To set a voltage, let's press V-set on the front panel. We'll set the voltage to 1.234 volts. Let's press 1.234 and enter. Now let's set the current limit to 0.987 amps. By doing that, we'll just press I set on the front panel and press 0.987, enter. Now the power supply is configured to 1.234 volt and 0.987 amp. To verify that, press output on, and the output on button is lit. And you can see the display is showing the power supply is outputting 1.233 volt. Let's turn the output off, and we can save this setting into memory location. Let's pick 9 by pressing save on the front panel. Save. The display is prompting you to enter the memory location where the setting is to be saved. Currently is showing 1. As I said, let's save that to memory location 9 by pressing numeric keypad 9. Hit enter. Now the display returns to home display mode. To demonstrate that the setting is saved to memory location 9, let's change the setting to 0 volt and 0 amp by pressing V-set 0, enter. The voltage setting is now at 0 volt, and press I set on the front panel. I set 0, enter, and the current limit is now at 0 amps. By pressing output on and off button, we'll verify the power supply is now outputting 0 volt. As you can tell, everything is 0, so we've set the power supply to 0 volt output and 0 current. Turn that off, and we'll now verify whether memory location 9 contains the original settings that we've set previously by pressing recall on the front panel. The display is prompting you to enter the memory location number, currently set to 1. Since we've saved it to memory location 9, we now enter 9 on the front panel and press enter. As you can see immediately, the display is showing voltage at 1.234 volt and current at 0.987 amp, which is exactly what we have set previously. By pressing output on, you can see that the power supply will output 1.234 volt. By pressing output on, the button is lit, and exactly the same as before, the output of the power supply is now at 1.233 volt. We have just demonstrated a save and recall feature of the power supply.